The project is about capturing movement using a very fast shutter speed, and it's typically called splash photography. We see splash photography probably not every day in everyday life, but we do see the concept of fast shutter speeds in everyday life. So for example, any sort of sports photography would use a fast shutter speed, even a lot of documentary photography that we might see on the news. Splash photography might fit under more of a advertisement photography, so we might see it in an advertisement for, let's say, a soda or some sort of beverage, or even sometimes products will use splash photography as a way of really focusing on a single object. The thing I enjoy most about the project is the troubleshooting, so working with the students, trying to figure out what works best in terms of lighting and exposure, and also just playing and experimenting to see how we can do the same sort of photograph but use different props and different setups.